everyone! I'm Carmela Joy Hill, your Miss Jewel of Luna. Join me and explore the beauty of my hometown. Welcome to Luna, La Union, the pebble capital of the North. Luna is blessed with so many wonderful beaches. Pebble Beach, Coral Beach, and White Sand Beaches. Guys Cove, a place for surfing and picnic grounds. Yusuf NL, Military Shrine of Northern Luzon. Saysayan ba ang hanap mo? Tara, tuklasin natin ang Spanish Watchtower, ang Baluarte! Our Lady of the Macpacan Church. We invite everyone to join us in prayer at the Shrine of Our Lady of Namacpacan, or popularly known as Apo Bakit in our own vernacular. The church became famous to all pilgrims all over the world. Isa sa pinakadinarayong produkto na talaga namang binabalik-balikan dito sa aming bayan ay ang charan! Tupig, cassava cake, at special bibingka. Nagbanglo! Halina at tikuman! Nandito tayo ngayon sa buhay na bato kung saan matatagpuan ang iba't ibang stone sculptures at paintings. Alat na! Celebrating Pinakan Festival during our town fiesta. Farming is the main industry of Luna. We produce a big farming in sugarcane. The famous Sukang Ilocos. If you want adventures, you should try to visit Ocalong Falls. Intayon, trekking muna tayo. Welcome to Ocalong Falls. Feel the essence of love and unity. #OneLuna. Once again, I'm Carmela Joy Hill, proud to represent Luna.